Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, Luna Heater Portable Space Heater Review. So, you might be wondering, what is Luna Heater here? Well, Luna Heater here is a portable electric space heater marketed as a compact way to add warmth to a room. Now, according to the official website here, it uses ceramic heating technology and is designed to produce noticeable warmth in about 10 minutes. Now, these are claims that they have right now. The company also describes it as a portable, quiet, and designed to distribute heat throughout the room or throughout a room here. Now, how do you exactly use the Luna heater here? Now, this is directly from their FAQ page here, so there is no installation required according to them, and the website describes Luna heater as a plug and play. So you simply plug it into a standard electrical outlet and turn it on, and it basically works like that. Now, the heater, as you can see, if you do view the specs for it, they do include a digital thermostat, allowing you to select your preferred temperature. And according to the site here, the heater will then maintain the temperature automatically. So it also has a programmable timer, so you can schedule when the heating actually operates. Now, a remote control is also included, so allowing you to adjust the power, temperature, and timer settings from across the room. And the website also says the heater has an automatic shut-off feature. Now, Luna heater here is described as lightweight, portable, so the company says it can be moved between places such as bedroom, living room, or office, or basically anywhere. Now, its ceramic heating system is marketed as energy efficient and designed to use less electricity than traditional heating systems. Now, the website right now currently offers the actual product around 70% off and free shipping, along with 30-day money-back guarantee. They also states that the product is covered by free worldwide shipping. Now, the thing with this one here is the thing that you need to take note here is that the website makes several performance claims here, including 10-second heating, whole room heating distribution, and reduced electricity consumption. Now, these are claims made by the seller, so rather than independently verified specifications here. So, yeah. So, in simpler terms here, Luna heater is presented as a plug-and-play ceramic space heater. Plug it in, turn it on, and set your desired temperature, and use the remote or timer to control it. Now, because this is an electrical heating appliance here, following the manufacturer's operating and safety instructions is recommended. Doing your own research into the heater's electrical specifications, safety certifications, and appropriate room size and placement requirements is also recommended before purchasing it or using it. And also, maybe reading reviews outside the website is recommended, and this applies for anything that you're buying online. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.